Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be actually taking a look at our final draft or the final copy of our smart contract that we actually deployed to the Remix IDE. But before we do that, let's do some light reading. And now that we have our list of people, we are going to update our add functionality to add a new person to our list of people. To do this, we will locate the add number function and modify it. We will be changing it to add person, since this is the name of our struct. Now, this function will keep the favorite number store, but additionally, it will be adding a name store, which will be a string with the fixed size list of 100. This way, we can access both the stores that are in the struct person. Now, inside this new add person function, we're going to add favorite number to our list of favorite numbers. And additionally, we will add a person to the list of people list. So exactly how we do in the variable name type, we can use this our person from our struct as a new type. We can do this by saying new person, where you see with the colon there, which is going to be the variable name, which will be of type person, and we will set the equal to person, which we got from our struct. We will add parentheses to the end of the person, which will contain a favorite number equals favorite number, name equals name. Now, inside the new person variable, we are saying that we are going to create a new person, and the favorite number that's getting passed to that person is going to be set to the favorite number from our struct. We're also saying that we are setting a name to the name from our struct. So for now, for example, if you pass in Papi 3, it'll create a new variable called new person, which has a favorite number, which will be 3, and a name, which will be Papi. And the next step we will take is to add the list of people variable to our add person function with the self.index that will look like this: self.index of people with the what do you call it there, the bracket, self.index, which we will set equal to new person. Now let me show you what it looks like. I know it sounds like a lot. Let me show you exactly what it looks like over here in our favorites.vy file, so you can see firsthand what it looks like. Let me click on it. I don't know why it's hesitating here. Why is it not going over to my file that I'm clicking on? Okay, here we are. So you can see this is a struct. This is our favorite number. This is the string. This is my name. This is my favorite number. So what I just read to you is you can see all of the information getting passed to our struct person. Let me go down to the... So you can see here our add person. So our add person is going to take a name with a string length of 100 of a favorite number, which is going to be type UN256. Or you're going to, inside a function, is going to be a self.list of numbers. Self.index equals favorite number. So whatever we add a new person, they're going to get a favorite number. That favorite number is going to get stored to our list of numbers. Then we're going to have a new person here, which is going to be a person from our struct. We're going to set that to equal person from our struct. And inside this variable new person is going to be a favorite number equals favorite number, name equals name, letting us know that we're going to store this person's favorite number and their name to this person or this new person variable. So every time we add a new person in their favorite number, it's going to get stored here to this new person. And that person is going to hold their favorite number and their favorite name inside of this information here. And that's going to get sent to this set or self.list of people, self.index equals new person. So as you can see, this new person is going to hold the information of the favorite number and the person's name, and that's going to get stored in this variable here of list of people. You can see self.list of people. That's how we're going to access it when we actually call on this add person function. And then lastly, you can see here the name to favorite number. But I didn't go over that part yet, so I'll hold off on explaining that to you so far. But just to get the gist of everything we have so far, so we have our add person function that we changed from the add name. And this add person is going to take a person, a new person, like I said. So we're not just adding ourselves anymore to the contract. We're adding new people to the contract. So we're going to take a new person. We're going to get their favorite number, their favorite name. We're going to store them in a variable called new person. And we're getting that information from the person struct up here, as you can see. So every person that we add is going to have a favorite number, and we're going to have their name. So that's where we got that person from. You can see how it's capitalized, the struct person. So that's the struct person we're going to be using. And I will add person function here. So you can see new person with the variable of person equals person. This person is our struct. That struct is going to hold this information here. This information gets stored in this variable. We're going to save this variable to the list of people that we have. And then additionally, this list of numbers is going to get separated from that list of people, so we can actually call on the favorite number by itself. So you don't have to actually have both of them at once. If you want to get the person's favorite number, we can just enter in a favorite number without entering their name. But again, once we run this contract in the IDE, I can show you exactly how it works and the functions of it. And then before we actually do that, I think tomorrow we should be able to get into explaining these last two pieces of information when I read over it inside of the VS Code. But of course, that's what we went over today. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.